Welcome to Wonder 5, channel where we explore the wonders of the world. Today, we're counting down the Wonder 5 most unusual and mysterious natural phenomena on Earth. These phenomena have baffled scientists and fascinated people for generations. Let's dive in. First, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating and elusive natural phenomena on Earth. Ball lightning. This rare and unexplained phenomenon has fascinated scientists and the general public alike for centuries, and it remains one of the most mysterious natural phenomena on Earth. So, what exactly is ball lightning? It's a bright, glowing orb of light that appears in the sky, usually during a thunderstorm. It's been described as anything from the size of a pea to a beach ball, and it's often accompanied by a loud sound like a crack or a bang. One of the most fascinating things about ball lightning is that it seems to defy the laws of physics. According to the laws of electromagnetism, a charged particle moving in a magnetic field will always follow a curved path. However, ball lightning appears to move in a straight line, which is a mystery that scientists are still trying to unravel. Despite decades of research, scientists still can't explain many aspects of ball lightning. For example, why does it last for several seconds, while lightning only lasts for a fraction of a second? And why does it sometimes pass through walls and windows? Despite the many mysteries surrounding ball lightning, scientists are slowly making progress in unraveling this fascinating natural phenomenon. Now let's take a closer look at the sailing stones of Death Valley. These are large rocks that weigh up to hundreds of pounds and move across the desert floor on their own, leaving behind long tracks. For years, no one could explain how these rocks moved, until scientists discovered a possible explanation. What they found was incredible. The rocks moved only during the winter months, when the desert floor was covered in a shallow layer of water. As the water froze into thin sheets of ice at night, the rocks were pushed along by the wind, leaving behind long tracks in the mud. The scientists also found that the rocks moved at a slow and steady pace, sometimes covering distances of up to 200 meters in a single night. This discovery finally solved the mystery of the sailing stones of Death Valley. But it also raised new questions, such as why only certain rocks move and why some rocks move more than others. Despite these unanswered questions, the sailing stones remain a fascinating and mysterious natural phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists and visitors alike. Third, we have the aurora borealis, also known as the northern lights. This beautiful display of colors in the night sky has fascinated people for centuries. So, what causes it? The aurora borealis is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with the Earth's magnetic field. When the particles collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, they create a burst of light that we see as the northern lights. The colors we see depend on which types of atoms and molecules are being excited. The lights can be green, pink, purple, or red, and they dance across the sky in a mesmerizing display. The aurora borealis can be seen in the night sky in the northern hemisphere, primarily in areas close to the North Pole, such as Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. It's a truly breathtaking sight to see. Scientists are working hard to better understand the effects of these solar storms on our planet. By studying the aurora borealis and the sun's activity, they can develop better methods for predicting and mitigating the impact of these storms. The aurora borealis is a truly fascinating natural phenomenon that reminds us of the beauty and complexity of our planet. It's a reminder that there's still so much we have yet to discover about the world around us. The morning glory clouds of Australia, which come in fourth on our list of the most unusual and mysterious natural phenomena on Earth. These clouds are a rare meteorological event that occur over the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia. The morning glory clouds are long, cigar-shaped clouds that can stretch for up to 1,000 kilometers. They can be up to 2 kilometers high, but they're usually only a few hundred meters off the ground. They move at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, and they can last for several hours. So, how do these clouds form? Well, scientists still aren't completely sure, but there are a few theories. One theory is that they're caused by a type of atmospheric gravity wave, which is created when air is pushed upward by mountains or other obstacles. This creates a ripple effect in the atmosphere, which can cause clouds to form in a specific pattern. Whatever the cause, the morning glory clouds are a truly amazing sight to behold. The morning glory clouds have become a popular attraction for tourists and thrill seekers, but they're still a mystery to scientists. Researchers continue to study these clouds in the hopes of unlocking their secrets and understanding more about the complex workings of our atmosphere. And finally, the brinacle, also known as the icy finger of death. This is a rare and fascinating phenomenon that occurs in the polar oceans. A brinacle is a column of ice that forms under the sea ice, and it can freeze and kill anything it touches. The brinacle itself is formed when this freezing water creates a tube of ice around the plume. As the tube gets longer, it starts to look like a finger, which is where the name icy finger of death comes from. Once the brinacle reaches the seafloor, it starts to spread out, creating a disk of ice that freezes everything it touches. This can include sea stars, fish, and even crabs. The reason why the brinacle is so deadly is that it creates a localized area of very cold water. This can cause the sea creatures to become disoriented and unable to move. Despite its deadly reputation, the brinacle is a fascinating natural phenomenon that is still not fully understood by scientists. But one thing is certain. It's a reminder of just how little we still know about the mysteries of the ocean. That concludes our list of the Wonder 5 most unusual and mysterious natural phenomena on Earth. Which one do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching.